Hey everybody, welcome back to another ArcGIS tutorial with me, Skip. Today we're going to cover a topic that a lot of people have asked me about, and it's if I have, two feature layers and I need to find the nearest feature on one layer to a feature on another layer, how do I do that? And I'm going to show you how to do that really, really quickly here. What we have here on the map, these red circles are all the hospitals in San Jose, California. And what we have in the blue, those are all the hotels in San Jose, California. These are just the two data layers I had handy. I don't really have a great cohesive story into why you might want to find the closest hotel to a hospital. So the only one I can really come up with is, let's say you need to take your friend to a hospital, but you're really, really tired and you want to sleep right after you drop them off. So you need to find out, which hotel to take them to based on which one has a hotel closest. All right, so let's get to work. This is really easy. What you're going to do is you're going to click the hospitals because you need to find the points closest to the hospitals. So click the hospitals and come up here to the top and click Data. Now here in the middle, you'll see this icon for Add Spatial Join. We're going to click that button. The target features are definitely your hospitals. The join features, what are we trying to find the closest of? Well, we need to find the closest hotel, so we'll click Hotels. For our match option, this is really all we have to do. We're going to come down here and click Closest, and we're going to click OK. It's going to do its work, and that is all there is to it. Now, if we come in here to our attributes table for hospitals, you'll see right down here that we have this field, and we see that we have a bunch of information. We have this hospital here that we've just selected. This one right down here. It's at 2425 Samaritan Drive. And the nearest hotel is the Bristol Hotel here on Bascom Avenue. If we want to see which one is the closest, you'll see, which hospital has the closest hotel. You'll see that we're kind of in trouble here because this doesn't have the distance for us. We don't know how far away those places are from one another. So what are we going to do about that? Well, let's do this another way. Let's go ahead and go into our joins and relates, and we're going to remove all joins. Boop. And you'll see now we just go back to having our information about our hospitals. We come down here, we look at our hotels. We just have a bunch of information about the hotels. And now we need to calculate some distances. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go down into the geoprocessing area, and we're going to use the tool called Near. You're going to open that up. Your input features again is going to be the hospitals. I got to clear this. Boop. Okay. Our near features are going to be the hotels, right? We need to find the hotels near the hospitals. We're going to leave the search radius blank because we're willing to look wherever we have to. And we're going to set this method here to geodesic. And that's that. Now we're going to run this. And now if we look here, we have the nearest distance, which is the distance here in feet to the closest hotel. And we have the ID for that hotel. Now that's not quite what we want because we don't have the name of the hotel. We just know that there is a hotel nearby, and that's a little weird. But what we can do is the same thing we just did before. We come back to hospitals, we say data, add spatial join. Our input is going to be hospital. Our output is going to be hotel. That should be, actually we're going to do this a little differently. We're going to go to joins and we're going to add a join. Our input table is hospital. Our input join field is going to be that near FID. The join table will be hotel, and the join field will be the object ID. And why are we doing that? Well, if we come down here into our hotel, we see our object IDs are right here, and those will map to our FIDs right here. So what's going to happen is it's going to go through the hospital and look at all the near IDs, and it's going to join the hotel with the corresponding object ID. So now we click OK. And now in our hospitals, we see that our distance from this first hospital here at 2425 Samaritan Drive is 4,395 feet away from the Hampton Inn. So that's pretty cool. We figured that out. So now if we want to find out which hospital has the closest hotel, all we need to do here is we sort these. We find our smallest number, and we find out it's actually this hospital here at 2105 Forest Avenue. Has a Valley Inn about 1,770 feet away. So that's how you go about finding the nearest features to other features inside of ArcGIS Pro. I hope you found this informative. If you watched this video, please like and subscribe. A subscription is a great way to support the channel, and the likes make me feel good about myself. Thanks.